Yo, is this thing on?
Yo, what's up? Just want to do a quick little video. You know, I've seen different packages and stuff come up from different clothing companies, and big box to smaller companies. But I just wanted to show y'all something real quick. See this? This is from FoundNation Clothing Company, and I've obviously got close ties with them. But this is just from an order I made myself, and my boy Ron, who handles most of all the pressing and packaging and shipping. I just wanted to show y'all something here. I kind of already broke into it, just a little bit, but here's what I find when I get inside of it. So I've got my invoice, right? It shows everything that I've ordered, and look right there in the bottom. I've got a handwritten note. I mean, I've known this dude for a decade, you know what I mean, and is like absolutely above and beyond. And then beyond that, I've got business cards, that we're putting out with every shipment. It's got our mission statement on the back. And inside of this package, right? Check this out. Check that out. Super clean. We've got everything all together, and check this out. This is our premium tees right here. If you guys are still sleeping on these right here, you need to wake up. These are normally 20 bucks a piece, but if you buy 3 of the premiums, they're 3 for 30. Check that out though. All packaged, nice and super clean. And it just goes a long way. Like, if you're gonna spend money with a company, you're gonna spend money, even if it's somebody who you've known them, you know what I mean? Like, just to get this kind of packaging, it shows the extra mile. It shows the effort and the love and the care that they put into their own company. So with that being said, if you have a friend that's a small business owner, support them. Get behind them. Show them that you care about their goals, their passion, and if you don't, then you don't. But that's just me. And all right, you guys have a good one.